Blizzard of 06 Part 2. The Aftermath. Let's see. Front porch all shoveled. Tree heavy with snow. All the way up. Take a little tour here. Check out the piles of snow in front of our house. Connie and her dog across the street. Got a entrepreneur going from house to house, charging $30 to remove snow. Making a lot of easy tax-free money, cash only. The pile in front of Britta's car. Got Britta dug out. She can get to her car, no problem. Get it from this angle. Front of the house. Big pile so that we can get out. Nobody's going to be parking in front of our house for a while. You've got path for the mailman though. He's going to be able to get in. Another large pile of snow. This is all stuff that I moved. Got my car all nice and dug out. All the way around. Another tree. Heavy with snow. Hopefully the trash bin will come. We will check out the backyard now. There I am. And the backyard. Haven't done much shoveling back here, so this will give you an idea how much snow we've gotten on the second round here. Try and climb through some stuff here. Piled up pretty good. Oh, on the back here. The trees covered. Bird bath. Oven, fireplace. Pond is somewhere in there. Buddha head, right there. Sky chair, completely covered. Can't see the back fence, covered in snow. See a little bit in the corner there. There's our pagoda. Chairs off the deck. Ping pong table. Not going to get much use out of that right now. And back to the lawn furniture. Looks like got a little bit of snow. Show you what I'm walking in. If this is even visible. Oops. That is where I came from. Very deep. Lots of snow. And that, blizzard of 06. Part 2. Part 2.